Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my first unboxing of a product. I have 40 YouTube videos out there and I've been just using my iPhone. So I decided to try something a little different. I purchased a set of microphones on Amazon and I'd like to test it to see how it works. My wife and the dog, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So these are wireless microphones. It comes with two lapel mics and it fits into the bottom of your phone. I'll unbox it, see how it goes. So let's see. Again, I'll just easier said than done. Pull off the top. See, it comes with this. Not sure what that is yet. Set of instructions for a wireless microphone. A nice felt pouch. And that's how it looks. You have the two lapel pins and the plug that goes into your cell phone. This looks like the charger. Nice USB charger, and that looks like it goes into this end. Couple of extra clips, and there's one more thing in there. Couple of extra heads for the microphones, and a fourth clip. I got a chance to read the directions, and apparently this piece does not have a battery in it. It just works off the battery in your phone. The lapel mics are the actual piece that has a battery in it. So there's a port in the side. I will use the charging cable, charge it up, and we'll go from there. So I'll just plug this in to the side. Looks like that fits pretty nicely. I'll go ahead and charge it. Now I've charged the lapel mic for about 3 hours. Next in the directions it says to attach one of these clips. So I'll go ahead and do that. Looks like it slides on from the bottom. So to put the clip on, it's shaped like this, and this just slides on to the bottom, and you push it on. Next, the directions say to insert this clip into the bottom of my phone. So we'll pause and I will plug that in. A few things I did not notice is as long as you have this lightning piece, I keep forgetting the name, as long as you have this lightning receiver plugged into your phone, if the lapel mic is not on, you can't hear anything. So you can see in part of my videos, I'm talking and talking a lot, and you can't hear a darn thing. So right now, this is not plugged into my phone. The lapel mic is not on. My camera setup is about 3 feet away from me. I know you can hear me pretty well because this is how I've done my videos for the past 1.5 years. What you weren't able to hear is that I can't put the lightning receiver into my phone when I have a case on my phone. The pin is just not long enough to reach, so I had to take this off to get this on. It's a little annoying, but I kind of like the sound. I've listened to it a little bit already, and it sounds pretty good. There's a green button on the back. I think it's supposed to be red. Let me read the directions again. I was wrong. It's green. So now it is on. Let's see if this is any different than the mic that comes from the cell phone. I'll put it on my shirt. And this is with it on. I hope the audio quality is a little bit better. I'm hoping that it'll be better if I'm a little bit farther away, and we'll test that out as well. Here I do not have the mic on. We're about 6 to 8 feet away from my cell phone. Lots of background noise. Again, the football game is still going on. My dog's walking around. The washing machine is still going on upstairs. Hopefully you can hear me a little bit better with the mic. My wife and the dog. The laundry machine is still going on. Walking upstairs. And I'd like to see if this is any better with the mic or without the mic. One more thing I'd like to say is that right now my setup is approximately 8 to 10 feet away. So hopefully the volume is a little bit better. Right now my setup is about 25 feet away. We have a football game going on in the family room. The laundry machine is going on upstairs. Lots of background noise. I'm guessing you probably can't hear me too well from this distance. I can use this mic, especially when I'm far away. And see what you think about this specific mic, the lapel, how it looks. Any other suggestions that you have for my videos, please add them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.